subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos. Yo, what's up friends? Yo! Yo, what's up friends? I am Sholazari and in today's video my friend Avirup Bhattacharya is going to teach you an amazing magic trick with just 4 coins. So without any further ado, let's start our today's tutorial. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, so this is how the trick looks like. You will have to take 4 coins, identical coins. You can also borrow it from the spectator. And then you will have to take 1 coin on your hand and take the other coin on this hand, so that you can show it to the audience. Can you all see it?
Yeah.
Okay, I have 2 coins. I put it inside my fist. Just take 1 coin and put it over here, and take the other coin, put it on top of this hand, just like this. Yeah. Okay, can you all see it? Right now, I'm going to turn. I'm sorry, actually I missed. I need to practice a lot. Please put it on this hand. Okay, actually you will have to do a lot of practice for this trick. Right now, I'm going to do it. I'm going to turn this hand like this. And then I'm going to turn this one over here like this, right? So there are two coins on both the hands, right? Yeah. Now watch, if I do some magic, you can see 1 coin jumps from this hand to this hand, just in a blink of an eye, right?
Okay, so let's learn how you can do this magic trick.
Now it's time for the secret, and let's start. Okay, you need 4 identical coins for this trick and 2 hands, right? That's all you need. Okay, now one thing you will have to remember, that they will always have to look identical. That is the main point, right? Now how the trick looks like, you will have to put this in both the hands, close your hands like this, put 1 coin on the other. Yeah. Okay, now if you remember, first I did a mistake, and that's the main secret. At that time what I did is, I just put this coin inside this hand and I threw both the coins from this hand, right? And this is how the trick looks like. I take 2 coins over here and I take inside this coin and throw just like this, so that it looks as if it has fallen from both the hands, but no, it has just fallen from this left hand, right? Okay, let's do it one more time. Just put it on this hand. Yeah, right. You will have to make this mistake just to make the trick happen, right? Okay. And you're going to say that I haven't practiced it for a long time, I need some more practice. Okay, let me show you. Okay, what you are going to do is turn both the hands at the same time, and when you do this, just take this coin inside and throw 2 coins over here. So and now
you have 2 coins over here in this hand,
yeah,
and no coin in this hand, and it looks like that both the coins are from over here and here, right?
Right. Yeah, now so after that you just tell them, no, I have made a mistake, please put it again back. So when you keep this coin over here, put it back, so, and put this coin over here, you actually have 3 coins over here and 1 coin over here, right? So this is how it looks like. When you put this coin over here and this coin on this hand, the spectator thinks that there is 2 and there is 2, but no, in reality there is 3 coins and here is 1 coin. So then you can put it slowly down, just like this, and then you can show it that it has transferred from this hand to this hand.
So let me try one time, okay? Okay.
All you have to do, you will have to make sure that no one sees that you have taken 1 coin inside and the other coin you are throwing from the other hand.
Okay.
You will have to practice that a lot.
Right.
You will have to practice for that mistake a lot.
Okay, I have to practice for doing that mistake.
Right? Yeah.
Okay. So cool. Alright, do one thing. Just place the coins. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Don't open this hand. You will have to keep it so close that it looks it has fallen from the top. Just put it on top. Okay. Put the coins on top. Okay. Just like this.
Okay.
Just like this.
I'll open and close my hand.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Very fast. You know, subtle movement, right?
Okay. Do this. Keep the coins.
Yeah. Just put it over here and here. Yeah. You have opened your hand. You need to practice a lot for this trick, and after that you will be able to do it.
Do it again, please. Okay. Perfect. Alright. And this point, what I'm going to do is, if I actually do like this.
Yeah, it's close, but
wait.
yeah.
Alright, put the coins back on.
You are going to say that you need a lot of practice for this trick.
Yeah.
Okay, you haven't practiced it for a long time, and then after that,
I haven't practiced it for a long time.
Yeah.
I did that mistake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then put it slowly. Put your hands.
Do it very slowly so that you can see one coin inside this hand and on the top of this hand. And I'm going to keep it over here just like this. And then one coin inside this hand on top of this hand. I'm going to keep all of this slowly. Perfect. Now watch the magic. Here's one coin.
Yeah, this is the secret of this trick. So you can fool your friends, your family members, or any spectator who wants to watch cool magic. This is a really cool slide. Right. You need to practice a lot, right?
Yeah.
But this is what you have to practice. Put this coin over here, put this coin over here. Practice it like this.
Alright.
Very subtle movement, right?
You have to practice how to do that mistake.
Yeah. Mistake is the main trick.
Yeah. So if you can do that mistake to make it look like that it's an actual mistake, then you are actually done with this trick. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing magic trick with just 4 coins. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Shwel_Zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to follow Avirup Bhattacharya on Instagram at Avirup_the_showman. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.